Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shardemarie. Welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in into another video. As you can tell from the title, today we are doing my June Boxycharm unboxing. You guys seem to really love these type of videos, so I am happy to bring them to you every single month. But before we hop into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as thumbs up if you enjoy these type of videos. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's hop right into this video. You guys know whenever I have this on, it just means that I just did not feel like putting on a wig, and that means it's Boxycharm time. Also, I do have on a shirt, okay? It's just that the way my camera is set up, I really can't, I guess, show that I'm wearing a shirt, but I am wearing one, okay? The girl is not naked. I'm wearing a shirt. So, anywho, let's hop right into the box. So, the theme of the June box is Express Yourself. June is Pride Month, so happy Pride Month to all of you guys out there that celebrate. I am an ally for you guys because I have friends that are in that community, and I love them. I love my friends, all of my friends, so, you know, I'd rather die for them. But the theme, like I said, is called Express Yourself. So, let's start off with the item that I'm not going to try. This is the DRYBAR Liquid Glass Miracle Soothing Sealant. So this is supposed to be good for helping you reduce frizz with your hair. Now, when I hear DRYBAR, unfortunately, I do not think about African American hair. Okay, I'm sorry, I just don't. But I am going to try this with my natural hair and just see how it goes with when I braid my hair down. Well, when I no longer have braids, because I am supposed to be getting braids soon. So when I get those braids taken out, we're going to try this with my natural hair and really see how it goes. But again, when I hear DRYBAR, I don't think African American hair. However, this retails for $34, just in case you are wondering and are interested in this. Like I said, it is a ultimate frizz fighter. It's heat activated technology wrapped in a visible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistance. And it lasts through 3 washes. So you only need to use this once, and then you can wash your hair 3 times and then reuse it again for your hair if you get like really frizzy hair. Okay. So the next item that I'm not going to try out, it is this Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish. It's for the face and the body. But you guys know, in all of my Boxycharms, I've been getting a lot of like brightening skincare items. So I'm actually going to use this only for the body because I don't have a brightening polish for my body. So I'm going to use this instead. And this retails for $38. And I'm just so excited. It's a Indulgent polishing scrub powered by turmeric to visibly brighten skin and reveal a natural looking glow. So I actually might use this today when I go take a shower. On top of me using like a regular scrub, which is I use the Shea Moisture scrub, I think I'm going to substitute that for this. I really don't smell anything, but it is clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. So I just spilled some, but I am going to use this tonight. And I probably, if I like it, just in the few little washes that I do use this, I might bring this along with me on my trip as well. So yeah, so that is everything that I will not be using in today's video. So now let's move on to the makeup. Okay, first things first, we're going to start with the lips because my lips are feeling kind of dusty and crusty. So first we're going to start with a lip liner. This is from MOONLIT by MIKAELA. Now I want to say, I don't know if this is MIKAELA, the girl, the YouTube guru MIKAELA, or there's a different MIKAELA. I'm not really sure. But this is the lip liner called Loon number 49, which I believe is in the color called Core, which is a from the color on the box, it looks like it's like a raspberry color, and this retails for $18. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks like a normal wooden pencil. I love the packaging. It's really cute. Hopefully it's not dry and it goes on smoothly. So let's give this a try. Oh, this is super smooth, you guys. This lip liner is super smooth. Even with my dry behind lips, it went on very smoothly. You don't see any of my cracks in my lips or anything like that. So this will be a perfect foundation for like a blue red, or for like your hot pinks, raspberry pinks lipsticks. So next I'm going to try this Kismet Polished Lip Plumping Gloss. This is a new brand to Boxycharm, and this also retails for $18. You guys know I really don't use plumping glosses because I feel like my lips are already big as it is, so I really don't need to have plumping glosses. But I mean, I guess there's nothing wrong with it. So this is what the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. It's super cute. And this is in the color called Baby. So if it's really good and pigmented, I might purchase other colors and see. One thing I want to point out about this packaging, the carton, which I love, it has a Bible scripture on here. Well, it's not a full Bible scripture, but it does have like a scripture for you guys to look up. So if you want to look it up, you can look up John 14, 1 through 4. So yeah, I love that about that. I love it. So this is the Doe Foot Applicator right here. So it goes into a point, so it's easy to, you know, line your lips and get all the payoff that you need. And it's good enough payoff. And it also has like this stopper type of packaging, so it won't get all gloppy inside of the packaging, which I really like. So let's do this. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like vanilla. Ooh, my lips are so dry, y'all, but ooh, I can feel a little bit of tingling. But yeah, that's a trick for you guys if you don't know. If you put on too much gloss or too much lipstick and you want to tone it down, just get a paper towel and blot, and it comes out perfect all the time. But yeah, so at first when I looked at it, because I obviously had to peep in the box, just, you know, to know what I need to put on. I didn't think these two would go together, but they actually go together. Like I said, this is more of the raspberry pink, and this is definitely more of a pink, a regular pink, and those two colors complement each other very well. I still feel like I probably might need a brown lippy just to bring a little bit more depth in, but we're not going to do that because we're just testing it out. When I use this in real life, I would do it the way I normally would. Alright, last but not least in the box is the eyeshadow palette. That's why I look the way I do, like a bald-headed rat. Because I don't have on no shadow, no lashes, no mascara, no nothing. So this is from Voss. This is Sunkissed Summer. It's an eyeshadow impressed pigment palette. This retails for $37, and this is actually a new launch. Now, I don't know if there's a new launch for Voss or a new launch for Boxycharm, but yeah, I'm assuming there has to be a new launch for Voss because it says 2022 on the back. So it comes with a cute little mirror, and then this is the color story here. So I see a lot of very neutral colors, with a pops of colors here and there, like this Berry Hot, which would be a pressed pigment. I think that's the only depressed pigment that I see in here. It's the Berry Hot. It's the most glittery one in here. But yeah. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I guess I would probably stick to the berry tones just so it can somewhat match the lips, even though it's not going to match my shirt because I have on baby blue. But we shall see. And in honor of this being a Boxycharm video, I'm actually going to try to use as much of my Boxycharm brushes that I've kept for today's video. So let's just see what we can do.
Brown eyes, you're the one that is high. When we wake up and then we make up, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when the head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part.
Okay guys, so that is me using all of the products. So I think we got to a good spot with the eye makeup. Again, I was just looking at the color story. The color story is beautiful and I just didn't know exactly what to do. So this is what I came up with. And I also wanted to make sure that it matched the lips. So there's that. So let's start off with what I did use. So let's start off with the Voss Eyeshadow Palette. Y'all, I lost my train of thought. So like I said, the color story is definitely beautiful. It's definitely a summery palette if you are into like the berry tones and like the neutral golden tones. Like it's like this is like a sunset type of palette. This is what it's giving me. Like these will be good for nighttime, for the sunset time or whatever. However, I will say that I'm not writing this off. I might have to play around with it because I didn't use an eye primer. And for the pressed glitter here, I didn't use it wet. I used it dry, and this is the payoff that came with it. So it's like you have to build it up if you want this to really show up on your eyes. You either, if you want to do it dry, you will have to do like a double layer, or you can try to use it wet. But the pigment is very pigmented. These are very pigmented eyeshadows. I will say that. Since Sensation, that's what I use underneath of this color called Cool Down, and like sort of kind of use it as my blending color for the glitter, which was Very Hot. And then I use Tan Lines as my eyeliner, and I use Glow On for the inner corners. So that's what's on the eyes, and I love it. I think this is a very good nighttime eye look. I mean, there's some things I might change around, but again, I was just testing it out without using all the proper steps that you would normally do for your eyeshadows. But I mean, it's a very good palette. If you get in your Boxycharm, I definitely believe it will be a good addition. However, I don't think you need to run out and grab it if you don't have Boxycharm. I don't think it's worth it that way. But I I'm keeping this though. However, I am surprised that these two items, which are the only other two makeup items, are actually my favorite things out of the Boxycharm. And I was more shocked about this because looking at the color, I don't have any like raspberry reds or pink lipsticks. Do I? I probably do, I just don't wear them. So I never thought about getting a liner because normally I just go with brown. Like a lot of my lip liners are brown, you know. But I do like the way that this went on. It went on super smooth. So even if you have super dry lips like your girl, it still went on super smooth over the dryness of my lips. Now this, like I said, is supposed to be a plumping lip gloss. I don't feel any plumping now. In the beginning I felt a little tingle, but it wasn't nothing excruciating or unbearing on the lips. Like I think with the Too Faced plumping gloss, I know that one I heard people said it hurts really bad. So again, not really my cup of tea. Pumping glosses in general, because again, your girl got natural full lips. So I don't really need pumping glosses. But I love the color of it. I love these two together. They work beautiful. However, I would still put on a brown lip liner just to bring in more depth on the lips and just blend it in a little bit more. But yeah, I can see me getting use out of this, and I also can see me repurchasing these items, especially this lip liner. I'm just so shocked about the lip liner. I hope and pray they have a brown, because if they do, I would definitely cop it. Now, because I didn't try the other two products, I'm excited though to really try this body brightening polish. Well, it's a face and body, but for me, I'm just using it for the body, just because again, I do have a trip coming up. So, you know, I just want to get the most brightest, glowiest looking skin I can get when I go on my trip. So let me add up everything and see how much everything cost. So this month box was $145, and you get all of these full size items for $30. Like I've said in all of my Boxycharms, they did go up on the price by $5 because I believe they used to be $25. Now they're $30. So if you have $30 to spare every single month, then I do highly believe that the base box is definitely worth it. I haven't upgraded to the Luxe or the Premium, but I do know you get more products in those, but they are higher in price. So I'm cool with the base box. I'm cool with the base box. All in all, I don't hate this box, but I don't love this box. This box was on a neutral tone for me. Like, I think though this is the first box where I'm keeping every single item in this box, because normally I don't see me using it, or it just was a no for me. I let my little sister have it, so because maybe it'll work for her. But I think this is the first box this year that every single thing I am keeping. So yeah, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn your bell notification to get notified when I upload my next video. Don't forget to go over to my vlogging channel, which is Shardemarie TV. Do you want to see more in-depth of my day-to-day life, as well as you want to see my trip coming up, okay? Because it is a girls trip. We are going to Miami for a girls trip, so yeah. Anywho, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
It's a 5 on a 7.